Hello students, I am the teacher for this question here. In this question, a bullet is fired horizontally with a speed of 1500 meter per second in order to hit a target which is at 100 meter away. And now we have a value of g which is 10 meter per second square. So in order to hit the target, here this is our bullet and we have to hit the target as you seen here. So as we know that due to acceleration due to gravity, the path of the bullet will not be straight, it will track some this path. So in order to hit the target, the bullet should be above some height from the target. So now we have four options and we have to choose one correct from them. Option A 15 cm above the target, option B 10 cm above the target, option C 2.2 cm above the target, and the last D directly toward the target. So now we are solving this question. We have a given data like velocity in x direction which is 1500 meter per second, the horizontal distance that is d equal to 100 meter, and value of small g that is acceleration due to gravity 10 meter per second square. We will use these two formula here in order to find the correct answer. The first one is velocity is equal to displacement by time, and the second one is s equal to ut plus half gt square. This question in considering two journey. The first one is horizontal journey. So from horizontal journey we will find the duration by which the bullet hit the target. So we will use the formula v equal to d by t. As we know that there is no acceleration or retardation in the x direction, so we can simply use this formula. We know that the v is 1500 and the distance is 100 meter. So by solving this we will get t is equal to 100 by 1500, or we can say that 1 by 15 second. This will be our duration, and we will use this duration in our vertical journey. In vertical journey we use the second formula. Here s will be replaced by h because it is the case of height, and u is the initial velocity in y direction, small t plus 1 by t gt square. Here the small t and capital T is same, which is 1 by 15 of second. So h will be equal to, as we know that there is no vertical velocity initially, so it will be 0 and the time will be 1 by 15 plus 1 by 2, and the value of g is 10 as given, and the time is 1 by 15, so it will be squared. After solving this we will get h is equal to 2.2 centimeter. So option C will be correct. So now our answer will be option C. Hence option C will be correct. Hope you understand this question.